Namaskar, good morning and hello everyone. Leaving the days of gloom and despondency behind, Bharat, under the able leadership of Prime Minister Modi, has set herself on the path of development and is poised to be the growth engine of the world. The flagship scheme of Honorable Prime Minister, Make in India, has attracted the attention of the world, and the day is not far when we will be the manufacturing hub of the world. To further give impetus to commercial activities and promote synergy between different players, contract manufacturing and private label, Asia's biggest platform connecting capacity owners with capacity seekers is back with its 6th edition. The resounding success of this event last year was encouraging for all of us. This event has successfully created an ecosystem for the industry to connect, share insights, address challenges, and create opportunities for all stakeholders. The edition, scheduled to take place at the India International Expo and Convention Center, Yashobhoomi, New Delhi, and in the Geo World Convention Center, Mumbai, will introduce international country pavilions, buyer-seller meetings with over 450 exhibitors and close to 18,000 plus expected attendees. I urge all the stakeholders to actively participate in this event, share their ideas, and let's bring out something that will fulfill the aspiration of 140 crore Indians. Yes, 1.4 billion Indians, and make our country developed by 2047. जैसा मोदी जी कहते हैं 2047 तक विकसित भारत बनाएंगे, तो आइए मिलकर बनाएं। मेरी शुभकामनाएं, माय बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।